Today, I am reviewing the WORX Nitro 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower. If at any time you'd like to explore this lawn mower for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're in the market for a reliable, lightweight, and powerful lawn mower for small to mid-sized yards, the WORX Nitro 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower is a product you should seriously consider. Tailored specifically for lawns up to 1/4 acre, this mower offers modern convenience, smart technology, and cordless freedom, all in a compact package that's easy to handle and store. Let's start with the heart of this mower, the 40V power system. Powered by two 20-volt PowerShare batteries, the WORX Nitro delivers 40 volts of cutting power, which is more than enough for smaller yards. And yes, both the batteries and charger are included, so there's no need for separate purchases right out of the box. What makes this system even better is that these batteries are compatible with other WORX tools, meaning if you already own some from the WORX ecosystem, you can swap batteries and extend your runtime even further. At just under 34 pounds, the mower is incredibly lightweight and easy to push, a major advantage for anyone looking to avoid the bulk and fatigue that can come with heavier gas-powered mowers. Despite its compact size, this unit packs a punch thanks to the high-efficiency brushless motor. This motor not only extends battery life, but also runs quieter and lasts longer compared to traditional brush motors. It's a great example of how smart engineering can make everyday lawn care faster and more efficient. One standout feature is Intellicut technology. This system automatically adjusts the mower's torque depending on the grass thickness, giving you more power when you need it and conserving battery life when you don't. That means less guesswork and fewer interruptions, especially when transitioning between patches of thick and thin grass. The cutting deck is 16 inches wide, ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. It's not oversized, which makes it easy to maneuver around trees, garden beds, and tight spaces. And even though it's compact, it doesn't compromise on results. You can choose between multiple cutting height settings, up to a maximum of 3.5 inches, so whether you prefer a clean, shortcut, or a slightly higher trim for summer protection, this mower can adapt to your lawn's needs. Another feature that stands out is the 2-in-1 functionality. The WG737 gives you the option to either mulch your clippings or discharge them from the rear. The included mulching blade is especially handy if you want to nourish your lawn naturally by returning finely cut grass back into the soil. It's an eco-friendly alternative to bagging that also saves time and effort. Storage is simple and convenient. The handles fold down easily, and the mower's small footprint makes it ideal for homeowners with limited storage space in a garage or shed. There's also a full bag indicator that tells you when the collection bag needs to be emptied, a small but useful feature that saves you from having to check manually. Let's talk about the design. Finished in WORX's signature black and orange color scheme, the mower looks sleek and modern. Its polypropylene cutting deck is durable yet lightweight, and it's built to withstand regular use without warping or cracking. Now, it's important to set expectations. This mower is not meant for large properties or thick, overgrown lawns. It's optimized for 1/4 acre yards and performs best with regular maintenance mowing. But within those boundaries, it excels. Because it's battery-powered, there are also zero emissions, no need for gas or oil, and no pull cords to worry about. Starting the mower is as easy as pressing a button. You get a quieter, cleaner, and easier mowing experience, perfect for those living in neighborhoods or areas with noise sensitivity. In conclusion, the WORX Nitro 40V WG737 cordless lawn mower checks a lot of boxes for homeowners looking for a dependable, hassle-free solution for smaller lawns. It combines smart features like Intellicut, a brushless motor, and 2-in-1 mulching capability in a compact, easy-to-use form factor. The inclusion of batteries and charger, as well as the compatibility with other WORX tools, adds great value to the package. If you want a modern lawn mowing experience without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas-powered mowers, the WG737 is an excellent choice.